Hey guys, this is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial, and today we're going to be looking at what I call internal integrations. There's two types of integrations that we work with. One is going to be called an external integration. So that is going to refer to when someone finds one of your other platforms, let's say Facebook, Instagram, a website, anything like that. And then from there, they are funneled to Booksy. That's what's called an external integration. I've done other videos on that, mainly on Instagram, but also Google, stuff like that. So that's going to be a separate topic and not what I'm going to be covering today. Today, we're going to be looking at internal integrations. So what does that mean? It's the reverse, excuse me. So someone finds you on Booksy and then you're funneling them to your other platforms for whatever reason. Maybe you want them to follow you, or generally speaking, you're going to have more examples of your work, for example, in Instagram. So instead of only having examples of your work inside of Booksy, you can say, hey, here's my Instagram, and then they can look you up, look at what you have on Instagram, and then it's just another way to build more credibility with your client. So what does that actually look like from the client's point of view? I'm going to bring up the Booksy for Customers webpage here, and this is actually my account, and then we're going to scroll down until you come over here on the right side. You see how this says Instagram? That's because I added my Instagram here, how it says social media, and if I click on this, you're going to see it's going to bring up the page for the Instagram. So pretty straightforward. You may see other buttons here, Facebook or website, online shop, I think there is as well. So you're going to see different options available there, but that is what I'm talking about when I talk about an internal integration. Someone finds you on Booksy, and then you're funneling them from there to whatever other platform you would like. So how do we actually do that? Let's go ahead and look inside of the mobile app. We're going to go here, Profile, Settings, and then we're going to go down till you come to Business Details. Business name and info, first one here. And then if you go down, you're going to see that this first one I have in Instagram has been filled in. That's why you see it. There's other options here for Facebook, online, shop, website, anything like that. So the thing is, any link that you put in here will work. It will be labeled whatever that label has. So this one's labeled Instagram, Facebook, but you could put in a YouTube video. I've seen that someone put in a YouTube video under their website one. You can really put any link you would want in here to direct people to other places, but generally speaking, it is going to be one of your other social media platforms, hence why it's labeled as such. And that's really it, guys. That's all you have to do. It's pretty easy. That's all that's involved. And the idea of it just being, to build more social credibility, show people other platforms that you're on, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. And so people can just see that you have other presence, not just on Booksy itself. And that's going to be it, guys. Everything for internal integrations. Pretty simple concept when all is said and done. Hopefully you got something out of the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. That does help me. If you're thinking of subscribing to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link down below to get 50% off your first 2 months. Besides that, I'll see you on the next one.